The Council yesterday held its monthly meeting for October, and early on the agenda was the topic of speed limits in the Rangiora-Woodend Road area. Following community feedback, Council staff are proposing that speed limits be reduced along sections of Rangiora-Woodend Road, Gressons Road, Boys Road and Northbrook Road. Councillors approved public consultation on the proposed changes, which is due to start on the 8th of October. The Council also adopted the Provisional Local Alcohol Policy 2018. Changes from the previous policy attempt to make rules around opening hours consistent between on-licensed and off-licensed premises. It also proposes that on-licence opening hours for the day preceding a public holiday be treated the same as weekends. The policy will return to the Council for adoption once the appeal process is completed. Finally, the Council extended the District Road Maintenance contract for one further year. The contract is currently awarded to Cycon. They have performed consistently well in quarterly performance reviews, however some councillors expressed their desire to see a higher level of service. Overall, the district's roading network is judged as being in good condition and above average when compared nationally. The next monthly council meeting will take place on Tuesday the 6th of November.